Hi, today let's make tasty chicken donuts at home, for which I've taken cleaned and washed chicken breast. I'm adding in some Kashmiri chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, chicken salt. Next I'm adding in some mint leaves. I'm adding in some coriander leaves, and then turmeric powder and salt, and then blend it into a smooth paste like this. This will become chicken mince. Now what you need to do is grease your hand with oil, and then you need to take a little part of the chicken mince and then make it into a small ball like this. And next thing is just flatten it up and give a shape of the donut, like how the donut looks, and then keep it aside. Repeat the same for all the mince which you have done. You can pre-prep like this and keep it in the fridge. Keep it for 20 minutes, and then what you need to do is dip it or dunk it in the egg mixture. Here I've added in salt for the egg mixture. Next I'm dunking it in the breadcrumbs. See to that it's beautifully coated so that it gives that extra crunch and crispiness. See, this is how it looks. I've repeated the same thing for all my chicken donuts. Keep the you need to fry it on a medium flame. Slowly drop one by one. Don't overcrowd the pot, and immediately don't start turning the chicken nuggets. The reason why I told is it needs to be in medium flame, because it'll be cooked and crispy from outside, then inside it will not be cooked. For the perfect juicy from inside and crispy from outside, you need to keep it on a medium flame. After 2 minutes, slowly start flipping one by one. If you overcrowd it, then it's not easy for you to flip it, and the chicken will not get cooked very well as well. And slowly, that's the reason I'm keeping it on medium flame, slowly flipping one by one. You can do the chicken egg dunk and then breadcrumbs. You can do that and keep it in the freezer for at least 1 month, and whenever you want you can fry it in the oil or air fry it, and just like that you super crispy, super tasty chicken donuts is ready to serve. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.